Big data and the Internet of Things, IoT, a powerful duo. Big data and the Internet of Things, IoT, has emerged as a powerful force driving innovation, efficiency, and growth across industries. Big data, the foundation of IoT. Big data refers to the massive volume of structured and unstructured data that is generated by businesses and individuals every day. Internet of Things, IoT, connecting the physical and digital worlds. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity that enables them to collect and exchange data. IoT applications span across various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and agriculture, revolutionizing the way businesses operate and deliver services to customers. The power of data processing and analytics. Big data and IoT has enabled businesses to harness the power of data processing and analytics to drive informed decision-making and operational efficiency. Conclusion. Big data and the Internet of Things, IoT, have emerged as a powerful duo driving digital transformation and innovation across industries. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of big data and IoT will play a critical role in shaping the future of Industry 4.0 and driving growth in the digital economy.